Do you want the absolute best and quickest way to make your own compost? Then come follow me. To begin your compost, start piling up any unwanted grass, saving grass clippings from your lawnmower. Seeds can add nutrients to compost, and grass clippings are high in nitrogen. Composting involves mixing plant materials with soil that contains microorganisms that break down organic matter. Grass clippings can help recycle nutrients from your lawn and add green materials to your compost pile. This is also the cheapest method because it costs you nothing. Breaking up bark and little pieces of stick is also great for compost. Then add a layer of soil. Soil is very good for compost because it contains bacteria and it helps with the composting process. It also contains clay particles, which spreads a thin layer of moisture throughout the pile. Next, on top of the soil, it's always good to add a good layer of straw. And then on top of your layer of straw, add another layer of soil. On top of your soil layer, add kitchen scraps. Here I have carrots, lettuce, coffee filter, a tangerine, and eggshell. Then layer any type of straw or grasses over the kitchen scraps. It's always a good idea to add worms as they help break down the compost materials. Adding anything green on the top helps trap moisture in and helps the good bacteria to grow. Here you see I'm adding mimosa tree branches and poke salad leaves. Here I'm adding an old layer of carpet. You can tell it's old and that I've used it before because this really works well. The breakdown of the compost, it works immediately after adding the carpet. But before you cover it, make sure to add water and then cover with the carpet. After covering with the carpet and it lays there anywhere from a week to 2 weeks, your compost is ready to add to your plants. If you don't have carpet, you can always add a layer of cardboard, but if you decide to add a layer of both, you would usually want to add your cardboard first and then the carpet. If you don't like the idea of the carpet or cardboard, then you can always add a storage container over it. As you see, my storage container is a little small for that pile. I really hope that information helps y'all, and thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope y'all have the greatest day. Bye-bye.